Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add email account in Facebook. Okay, let's start the video. Now first open your Facebook, tap on three-line menu, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings, tap on account center, tap on profiles and personal details. Scroll down, tap on contact info, tap on add email and enter your email account. Now turn on Facebook and tap on next. Now send confirmation code your email. So open your email account, copy confirmation code, and paste confirmation code. Now tap on next, tap on close, and finally add email account. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.